Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. So I'm looking at a 2021 Grand Design 303 RLS, and Gino's underneath here, and he's just dropping the suspension, and it's actually got sumo springs on it as well. So I wanted to pop over here and check it. And so as you can see by these little yellow marks, there's a crack, and there's some more on the, there's a total of 4 cracks, Gino?
Yes, sir.
So, so you can see the suspension system that he's removing, and he's going to try to guide that puppy out. It's his cheat to get that up out of the way. So the reason that this has to completely come out is because the guys, well, one, he's doing a wool bearing pack, and it looks like he had over greased it and got grease all over everything, and then
kind of spreading out on the drum too before he even took the cap off, you know?
Yeah. All right, so he's wheeling that inside, but part of this repair procedure is to clean up the hanger and weld in V-braces. So all 6 of those will have a V-brace installed. That's going to help beef up the area. Now, depending upon how high the crack is in the frame, there's different procedures. There's one with a tube that goes all the way across, and then there's one with a plate. And I'm gonna go show you on another coach. Oops, I bumped my head on that handle. I'm gonna show you on this other units over here. We're doing the same repair, but not underneath the customer service satisfaction, but Grand Design is still taking care of it. This one's on a Grand Design Imagine, and it had cracks in its frame as well. We found it during our last inspection when we did a wheel bearing pack. So you can see these plates. Now they're normally square, and Zach had to cut them to put that in place. And same thing down there to cut that edge. So basically you can see where he started to clean up the leaf spring hangers, and then there's another crack down there, so he's still working on progress on this one. But it's pretty windy today, so he had to stop. But basically there's either a long tube that goes down that way, or there's these plates. Now you drill out the crack, you grind it out, you weld it, you grind it down, you grind all the paint completely behind these brackets beyond it, and then you're welding these brackets in place, right? And then you're also adding the V-braces. And so we have all that information online, whether the procedures, we have those online in our photo albums and other posts and articles and videos. And like I said, if you have a Grand Design, they've been fantastic to take care of this. We haven't had not one issue with them. The guys there are fantastic, so the women there as well. And if you're taking your unit in, if you're in another state, you're not here in California, and you're taking your unit in and you take it to a shop and they're like, oh, they don't want to cover this or they don't want to cover that or whatever, more than likely it's probably because they're probably trying to overcharge the manufacturer. So there are some different repair shops and dealerships out there that are doing some pretty crummy work. We've seen some and even had to redo some where they cheated and didn't do the procedure properly, and Grand Design went ahead and paid us to go ahead and correct it and make it right. So there are those people out there. So make sure that you're taking it to a reputable shop, repair shop. Unlike us, you know, it kind of be stupid because we get hired as expert witnesses for lawsuits. So I'm gonna damn sure make sure that my guys are doing it right. If we do mess up on something or we don't do something right, we make sure that we take care of it. You know, it's just a thing that we do. Whether, you know, I won't go into religion, but it's just a thing that we do. We're all down here pretty religious, but we don't throw that around. Even the wife is extremely, so I'd get in trouble. But getting back to this, because I'm railroading myself. If you have a Grand Design, come see us if you're in the California area. If you are having problems with something, holler out at us. We try to step in when we can and help, or at least guide you, get you pointed in the right direction. Just same thing with the factories. You know, as you can see, there's Solitude, Reflection. There's another Solitude. There's another Reflection. There's a Momentum. We got a few Alliances that are here right now. Paradigm. I can't remember which one that one is. I think the Velour. There's some other ones inside. We got some new Keystones here. We got some brand new Brinkley's here. We got some brand new Winnebagos or fairly new Winnebagos here. So anyways, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, your specialist, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching.